Hey guys, just gonna do a quick unpackaging of this Corky replacement fill valve. Um, I got it because I have a toilet that keeps running. The back of it is like you flush it and it just does weird stuff. It pumps a little bit of water and then it stops. Just kind of keeps going on and off. So I got this as a solution for that. So like I said, for this video, just I'm gonna open it up and show you how it comes. There's the full unit itself. Has a nice heavy duty bushing ring down there. Has your fill tube. And it has a packet of your extra things. So different little screw, a couple little brackets. So I'm not sure what exactly all of these pieces are for yet, but I will check that out and do another video as I install it. But then of course it comes with your instruction manual booklet here. So again, just a quick unpackaging, show you what it comes with. The unit body, a little hardware packet, and then the fuel tube.